In today's video, I'm going to tell you all about the hash name error and how to fix it here in Google Sheets. So we have 4 instances on when you can encounter this error right here. So the first instance where you can encounter this error right here would be when you misspell a function within your formula. In my example right here, if I click on it, it will tell me the error message of unknown function SUMM. So it's literally just misspelling the function within your formula. If I double click on it, there we have our error, unknown function. It will tell you on that pop-up message right there at the bottom. So all you need to do is to make sure that you're entering the correct spelling for your function. And this is actually quite avoidable when you're trying to enter a formula. It will actually give you these suggestions where you can choose from on which formula you want to use. So we can select that one right there, press on enter, and there we have it. So that's for our first example. Let's go to the next one. So for this second example, we have missing quotations. So again, it's within your formula. If I double click on this, there we have our formula, and the error message would be unknown range name, which is Mary. Well, basically, both of our texts right here are hard-coded and not in quotations. So these texts right here cannot be understood by Google Sheets because they're not in strings. And to turn them into strings, we have to put them in quotations. So we don't have any quotations right here. And to fix this, all you have to do is to double check your formulas. So if you encounter any of these errors, just double click on them. There we go. Then put in those missing quotations right there. If we press enter, there we have it. Now we don't have this space. We can easily just add that right there since we're hard coding these names or this strings right here. Press enter, and there you have it. So that's our second instance. Again, most of these are just errors within your formulas that you can always double check to see which ones you're missing or which ones you've misspelled. Like for our next example. As you remember, we had a message in our previous error that told us the unknown name range Mary. What it's actually pertaining to would be this example right here, where we have a named range, this one, which is called total sales, but in our formula, it's misspelled with a double T at the beginning. So if you double click on it, again, we have it there. You can see it right here, 2 T's at the beginning of the total. Now, to fix this, again, you're just going to make sure that it's the correct spelling. And there you have it. Now that it's turned into orange and it's highlighting the range, which is the named range right here, you'll know that you have the correct spelling. Well, actually, if I just delete this right here, there we go. We have the letter T, and again, some suggestions for some functions, and at the bottom, we have the named range. If we click on this and press enter, there we have it. We have the average of that name range right here. And for our last instance of something missing within a formula that will give us the same hash name error, we have here the unknown range name of C3C12. So the thing that we're missing here is our colon. So in every range, the one thing that separates that cell to the end of the other cell would be that colon. So again, as we've been doing for all these examples or all these instances, it's all about just double checking your formulas to where you might have missed something or misspelled something. And there you have it. That's the hash name error explained and how to fix it here in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.